wema. I'm tryna get the moolah grandma. Namaphutha ngumfana kodwa ngiyakhula kuyacaca. Ngifuna inyuku ebhaya, ngifuna inyuza ledlala. Ezalo nguLazaro with luxury cause on my mind. I'm busy like a bee tryna make a business. I'm busy left and right, ngifuna le fancy life. Ikhanda lami lincinza njengotekisi, awazi umane inzalo yosomatekisi. Ngizama ukunyuka istepisi. Peace and money breeze, gently breeze in the street. RIP to all my G's, angani uyazi thina sakhulisa Kingpin. Mangikhuka ngihlala ngirelease hits, isitofu ngiyazibasela ngizibondela uphuthe ekishini ngephini. Impintshi itshitshi malivaliwa wazi livulwa ngephini. Ngikhulele kwigadi ngibangena ngebhantshi kujatshe ezinye iphatha amakinati namanantshi. Angani sonke sifuna imali osisibasethekwini, ama-graphies ama-pages banjengomshini okuthunga basebenze kakotini. Dear Lord, please fulfill all my dreams. The aim is to be rich and cross oceans. Deep down I pray, that's how I fight with the pain every day. Ngishaya isikhathi nami ngifuna ukungena esitolo ngikwephe umshini nge-black card.